Hi guys, welcome to the STLearn. So today we are going to discuss the maxima and minima for a function of two variables. For a function of two variables, there are two types of questions that usually come in the exams. The first one is that you need to find the maxima and minima in the whole domain, that is R2. And the second type is that you need to find the maxima and minima subject to some given condition, such as g, x, y is 0. So this condition can be in the form x square plus y square is equal to 3, and then we convert it into something like x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to 0. So something like that. Okay. In this video we are going to cover the first type, and in the next video we are going to cover how to solve the question of second type. Okay. Before proceeding for the function of two variables, let's quickly remind how do we find the maxima and minima in for a function of one variable. Okay, what do we do usually? We usually put the f dash x to be 0, and we find the critical points like x is equal to a, b or c by putting the f dash x to be 0. Then at those critical points we find the value of f double prime x. Okay, if f double prime x is negative, then that critical point is said to be the point of maxima, and the value at that point, value of the function at that point is said to be the maximum value of the function. And if the value of f double prime x at that point is positive, then that point is said to be the point of minima, and the value of the function at that point is said to be the minimum value. Okay, but what if we got that f double prime is 0? In that case we usually find the value of f triple prime x. Okay, and if it is 0, then we can say if f fourth prime x is positive, then it's a point of minima, and if it is negative, then we say it is a point of maximum. Okay, if f triple prime x is not 0, okay, so then it is said to be a point of inflection. So f double prime x is 0 and f triple prime x is not 0. So and at that point we can't say anything about the maxima and minima. It's usually the point where the curvature of the function changes its sign. For a function of two variable, we find the critical points in kind of similar fashion. Okay, by putting the first derivative to be 0, that is fx and fy to be 0. For example, let's take a function fxy to be x square plus y square plus 3x. Okay, let's find its critical points. So what would be the del f upon del x is equal to 0? What would we get from here? So it would be 2x plus 3 to be 0. Okay, and that is x is equal to minus 3 by 2. And if we put del f upon del y to be 0, what would we get from here? It would be 2y is 0, and that is y is equal to 0. So okay, combine those two. So we would have minus 3 by 2 comma 0. So this is a critical point. So that's how we find the critical points for a function. So we have some several critical points uh, like x1 y1 x2 y2 and so on. Okay, now to check which point is the point of maxima and which one is the point of minima, we find the value of f xx, f xy and f yy at these critical points. After finding the values of fxx, fyy and fxy at the critical points, we classify them into three categories. Okay, so a critical point is said to be the saddle point if the value of fxx into fyy minus fxy square is negative, okay, at that point. A critical point would be the point of maxima if the value of fxx into fyy minus fxy square is positive at that point, and the value of fxx is negative, okay. And a critical point would be the point of minima if the value of fxx fyy minus fxy square is positive and the value of fxx is also positive for that point, okay. So if the value of fxx fyy minus fxy square is negative, then it is a saddle point, and if it is positive, then there are two cases, okay. If fxx is negative, then it is a point of maxima, and if fxx is positive, then it is a point of minimum. Remember that we can't say anything about the point if the value of fxx fyy minus fxy square at that point is 0, okay. Now let's try to do some questions from previous year exam papers. This question is from JAM 2020 and it is a 2-mark numerical answer type question. And we need to find the minimum value of this function, okay. So to find the minimum value of this function, we need to find the point of minima, and to find the point of minima, we first need to find the critical points. So let's find the critical points by putting the first derivative to be 0. Del f by del x is 0 and del f by del y is equal to 0. So for this we have 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, and for this we have x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. So we can write it as 2x plus y is equal to 3 and it is x plus 2y is equal to 6, okay. Now by solving the 2, we can easily get that x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. So 0 comma 3 is the only critical point in this case. So since we have only one critical point, so it has to be the point of minimum, because the question is asking about minimum value. But if there would have been 2 or 3 critical points, then we need to further investigate which one is the point of minimum, and then we would find the value of function at that point and it would be the minimum value. But since we have only one critical point here in this case, so it has to be the point of minimum. But uh, for the sake of clarity about the concepts, let's proceed as usual as we do, okay. So first we would find fxx. So since this is fx, so fxx would be 2 and fxy would be 1 and fyy would be 2, okay. Now these are constants, so the value of these at 0 3 would be the same. So what would be fxx fyy minus fxy square? What is the value of this? It is 2 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 3, which is positive, okay. Now we have to check whether fx is positive or negative. So it is positive, so it has to be the point of minimum, okay. And the value of the function at this point would be the minimum value, that is our f03 is the minimum value of this function. What is this value? So we just need to plug the 03 in this expression, okay. So it is 0 plus 0 plus 9 minus 0 minus 18 plus 11, which is 2, okay, which is the correct answer. Moving on, This is a question from JAM 2019. It is a 2-mark MCQ question. So here we need to find the saddle point of this function. Okay. So as usual, we would find the critical point, and then we would classify which one is saddle point. Okay. So to find the critical point, we would have del f by del x is equal to 0 and del f by del y is equal to 0. So what is del f by del x? It is 3x square plus 2y. And what is del f by del y? It is 2x plus 3y square. Okay, so del f by del x is equal to 0. This means that 3x square plus 2y is equal to 0. And from here we have 2x plus 3y square is equal to 0. Or like we have from here x is equal to minus 3 by 2 y square. Putting it here, we would have 3 into 9 by 4 y square, sorry, y to the power 4 plus 2y is equal to 0. Or we have 27 y to the power 4 plus 8y is equal to 0. Or we can solve it further. So we have y 27 y cube plus 8 is equal to 0. Or we y 3y plus 2 and then 9y square plus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. So from here we have y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 2 by 3. From this part we won't have a real value of y, so it would get as a complex value. Now putting the value of y in this equation, we would have the value of x corresponding to each value of y. So for this we have x is equal to 0, and for this we have x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So we have two critical points, 0, 0 and minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Now we need to classify which one is the saddle point. To classify that, what we need to do? We need to find the value of fxx, fyy and minus fxy square. Okay, at each point. Now what is our fxx? It is 6x. What is our fxy? It is 2, and fyy. So it is 6y. Okay. So what is our fxx? Fyy minus fxy square. Okay. What is it? 6x. Sorry. It is 6x into 6y minus 2 square. So it is 36xy minus 4. Okay. Now let's find the value of this at 0 0. The value of this is minus 4, so negative. Okay, so our 0 0 is the saddle point. So in a first we have our saddle point on minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3, its value is 4 upon 9, so it is 12, which is positive. Okay, so it has to be a point of maxima or minimum. Okay, but our saddle point is 0 0. Moving on, this is a question from JAM 2019. It is again 2 mark numerical answer type question. In this, you need to find the number of critical points. So you just need to find the solution of those two equations. Del f by del x is equal to 0 and del f by del y is equal to 0. So you need to solve these and find the number of critical points. So I am leaving this question for you guys to try. Okay, and if you find any difficulty, you can reach out to us at hi@instilearn.com, and I'm gonna give you the solution of this question in the next video. Okay, thank you, and thanks for being here up to this point. Have a nice day.